If you are still doing the work yourself in 2026, you are losing money. The wealthiest people on the internet right now aren't the best writers, the best coders, or the best video editors. They are the middlemen. They find a business that needs a problem solved, and they use AI to solve it in seconds. They pocket the difference. It's called AI Arbitrage, and it is the easiest path to $10,000 a month with zero upfront capital. Today, I'm giving you the exact step-by-step blueprint to become an AI middleman. Let's dive in. Let's break down the concept. In traditional drop servicing, you find a client who pays you $500 for a logo, and you pay a freelancer in another country $100 to make it. You keep $400. The problem? Freelancers get sick, miss deadlines, or deliver bad work. But as an AI middleman, you replace the freelancer with an AI. A client pays you $500 to write a month's worth of email newsletters. You feed their website data into an advanced AI model, generate the emails in 10 minutes, and deliver the work. Your profit margin is 100% and your delivery time is instant. You are selling speed and convenience.
Looks excellent.
Not all services are created equal. If you want to make high-ticket money, you need to offer services businesses actually care about. Here are the top 3 niches for the AI middleman in 2026. Niche 1, SEO blog articles. Businesses need blogs to rank on Google. You can charge $100 per article and use AI tools to generate fully optimized, human-sounding posts in 5 minutes. Niche 2, ad copywriting. Companies spend thousands on Facebook and YouTube ads. You can use AI to generate 50 different high-converting ad variations and sell them as a package for $500. Niche 3, short-form video editing. Businesses want to be on TikTok and Shorts. You take their long podcasts or webinars, run them through an AI tool that automatically cuts, captions, and edits the best moments. You charge a $1,000 monthly retainer for literally clicking a button. Now the golden question, how do you get clients without spending money on ads? You do something called the free value strategy. Let's say you choose SEO blogs. You go to Google, find a local business like a roofing company that has a dead website. You use AI to write one incredible, fully optimized blog post for them. You email the owner and say, "Hey, I noticed your blog hasn't been updated. I wrote this article for you completely free. If you like it and want 4 more like this every month, it's $400. When you give people the finished product upfront, your conversion rate skyrockets. You only need 10 businesses paying you $1,000 a month to hit a 6-figure income, and the AI does all the heavy lifting. To pull this off, you need your AI employees. For writing, don't just use basic chat GPT. Build a custom GPT trained on your client's brand voice. For video, use tools like Opus Clip or AutoCut to turn long videos into viral shorts instantly. For voiceovers or commercial clips, use VO to generate breathtaking visuals that your clients will think cost thousands of dollars to film. You are the conductor of this AI orchestra. Your only job is to push the right buttons. You have the blueprint. Now you need to execute. For the next 30 days, pick one niche. Set up your AI workflow and send 10 emails a day offering a free sample of your work. That's it. It's a numbers game, and the math is heavily in your favor. Stop doing the hard work and start doing the smart work. If this video opened your eyes, hit that subscribe button to DollarProof daily. I drop the most profitable AI blueprints every single day. Start building your middleman empire today, and I'll see you in the next one. Next.